Hi, I'm Andrew. Welcome back. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on your Facebook business page without having to create a group in order to do it. So I am a real life marketing manager. I love creating polls for social media. It's a quick win. It's a really good way to increase engagement on any of your social media pages. So I recommend really super easy polls on Facebook. If you have your YouTube community tab available, I think now it's open up to if you have 500 subscribers or more, you can post polls on your community tab, Instagram, of course. And you used to be able to just create a poll on your Facebook business page. Now you cannot. You have to have a group associated to your page, and then you can create a poll within your group. And I just don't have the time. I don't want to manage a group. I'm managing the Facebook business page and all the other social media as it is. So as of right now, I am not yet creating a separate group on Facebook that will correspond to our business, but there's a workaround. Okay, you can actually create a poll through your Facebook business page. You can only do it on mobile because you have to do it through stories, but I've been testing this out and it has been working and I've been getting engagement. So I'm just going to go with that right now instead of creating a group. So I'm going to record my screen on my phone to walk you through how to make a poll from your Facebook business page in stories. Okay, so let me record my screen, my Facebook business page right here. Instead of create a post, I'm going to click create story. So I'm in create story right now. I'm going to scroll over here to poll. They were tricky and they were hiding that from me. I recommend that you keep your polls super easy. For some reason, polls that are easy to answer are like impossible for people to not put in their 2 cents. People love to give their opinion, so make it a really easy question that does have something to do with your business, obviously, and people will respond. It will increase the engagement on your page and everybody wins. We are a heating and air conditioning company. I am going to ask the question, do you prefer your house to be too hot or too cold? Okay, and then we'll hit next. So it's always a good idea to just check it out, make sure that it posted okay, and here it is on my page right there. Perfect. So just in case you don't have this poll button on your stories, you could also try this. Like just tap on, let's say, a photo, add sticker. There's should be a little button here that says poll. You can add a poll this way. So you can ask a question. That is another way that you can add a poll on your business page. So I hope that that helps you create a poll on your Facebook business page without the need of creating a group in order to do it. I put the same polls in various different places. So I'll put a poll on the Facebook story, on my YouTube community tab, because they're all seen by different people. So I'll just kind of keep rotating them just to help with organic engagement. I hope you have a great day and I will see you soon.